Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video, I think, or Thursday, I don't know. Whatever day you're watching this is what day it is. One of my best friends has a daughter who's about the same age as my son, and she will be 15 next weekend, and I will be down there with them to celebrate her birthday. And so I decided that I would like to make her a coffin trinket box for her jewelry that she has. I think it'll be super cute. I know that her favorite color is teal. This is the closest that I can get, but I've got the aqua blue. Look, here's the thing. Y'all are going to have to get used to me using these glitters. I am officially obsessed with them. The other video this week also has these in them. So sorry, you're going to get a lot of glitter this week. But anyway, so aqua blue. And then I was also thinking for this that I will use the black. It's hard to get out of the thing. Here we go. The black glitter as well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do black for the main portion of it and then the blue lid. I think that would be really, really pretty. And then I'm also hoping that I will have enough leftover resin and I can mix up some of the blue into the resin and pour a little skull and then attach the skull to the lid. I think that would be really cute. I'm pretty sure it would be totally on brand for her. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on this very simple project. Takes very little resin, which is very good because I am almost out of resin at this point. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited to see how it comes out. I hope you guys are too. Alright friends, so these are cured. Let's go ahead and demold the little skulls real quick. Since I did those off camera, it's almost like a bonus unmolding that was intentional. So this is real pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. And then this one, I did the blue and then I also did black in there. So let's see how this turned out. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I kind of like that one a lot more than the other one. But I think I'm going to take both of them with me. And that way she can pick out which one she wants, if she wants it at all. I tried my best to work out all the bubbles in these corners. Looks like I did an okay job. Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh. I'll have to fill that up with some UV resin. But here's the lid. Very pretty. Yeah, I do have a couple in there. I'll fill those up with some UV resin and dust over those. And then let's demold the body. I dusted a little bit of the green or blue in here as well because I thought that would look really pretty. Yeah, that's gorgeous. You can see more of it right here. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay. And so there you go. Fits almost perfectly. I think this side needs to come out just a little bit more. Either that or I need to shave a little bit off of this top. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, because there's a little bit of extra coming over, I think. But either way, I think the colors are super pretty. So I'm just gonna sand a little bit off of this sides, you know, on the inside, and then I'm gonna fill these up with some UV resin. And then hopefully that'll take care of that. At least it's not too bad from the top, although you can see that one really well, which kind of sucks. So, anyway, yeah, I think they turned out very cute. I love these mica powders, like I said, or glitters. Yeah, so that is today's video. Okay, after I filmed the last portion of the video, where I say goodbye to you guys, I was attempting to fill in the little holes, and then I thought, you know what, why not make this a coffin that has been distressed a bit. And so then I took some UV resin and made little vines as well, and then I added some paper roses with glitter on them to the top. I think that will be perfect, and then she can decide which skull she wants to use, and she can glue that on. So yeah, that's why in the glamour shots that I'm about to shoot, it's gonna look a lot different. So anyways, back to old me wrapping this up. Sorry it's kind of random and not very intricate, but I'm on a time crunch, as it were. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.